and controversies, and declares law or government action unconstitutional, and provides judicial review. Resolve disputes. The last branch I will explain is the executive branch. The function of this branch is it enforces law and executes government policies. And the key responsibility of this branch is executes law passed by Congress, appoints officials including cabinet members, judges, and ambassadors, conducts foreign policy, and negotiates treaties.